Hi guys, I'm back with another mani. So I have a full coverage nail tip here, and I'm just using a buffing block to remove the shine from the nail tip. And I'm not real certain which full coverage nail tips these are that I'm using. And so once I finish buffing the shine off of that nail, I'm going in with my brush and removing that excess dust from the nail, and then I'm going to apply a thin coat of Mia Secret Extra Bond to the nail. This just gives the gel polish something to adhere to. Do you need to use it? No, but it helps, especially if you're wanting to reuse this set. And so once I allow that to kind of dry down just a little bit, doesn't dry all the way, it dries tacky, I'm going in with Born Pretty's gel base coat, applying a thin layer of that to the nail and curing in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. Once that has cured, I'm going in with Water Light Cat Magnetic Gel WL01. It's like a champagne magnetic gel polish. And then I have this little cylinder shaped magnet that came in another magnetic gel polish that I got from Born Pretty. And so I'm just applying a thin layer of that to the nail, and this is water, so it's really the description has water in it, so it's really a really transparent or translucent color. You're not going to get full or reach full opacity with this particular color. It's like a tan champagne or whatever with sparkles or magnetic particles in there. And so I'm just going along the cuticle area, the side walls of the nails, and the tip to kind of concentrate those magnetic pieces in the middle of the nail to kind of get that velvety type look. And so that's the look I was going for. You can do this whatever way you want to, and I cured for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. I'm going in with a second coat of that same color, and I'm going to repeat that process. I just do 2 coats of that particular color, and this is a one color mani, so I just showed one nail on camera. And I can imagine you could put this over another color, but I thought it was just really pretty and really neutral over itself. And so once I get that, and also once I do magnetic, when I do cat eye nails, I do one at a time. I'll flash cure in between and then do a full 60-second cure. So here are all of the nails. I thought they were pretty, really pretty, and so I wanted to apply some chrome powder on top of there. So I have Born Pretty Super Top Coat. It's not a top coat that they recommend using with chrome powder, so I'm going in with, I think that was Melody Susie's No Wipe Top Coat, getting that as smooth as possible on the nail. When you're dealing with chrome powder, you want to make sure that your gel polish application is really even and thin across the nail, because if it's not, when you rub on that chrome powder, it's going to show any imperfections in that top coat application. And so I'm using Daily Charms Magic White Chrome Powder, and I'm just using my glove to apply it and tapping it on the nail, and then I'm going to rub it in. I don't know if you could tell a difference on camera, but I could. I mean, it was just a slight difference here, and this is I thought it was really pretty. It gave a different effect to the nail. You can use a silicone tool or an eyeshadow applicator to apply your chrome powder to the nail. And so I'm just going to apply the rest of that chrome powder. I don't think I show all nails on camera. So once I get that chrome powder rubbed in and rubbing, I then have a chrome powder brush that I got from Coco and Claire quite some time ago, and I'm going to use that to remove excess chrome powder from the nail before I apply my top coat. I thought it was pretty. You'll have to let me know if you can see a difference in the nails that are chromed and the ones are not. So I did the rest of the chrome powder application to the rest of the nails off camera. I'm going in with that Melody Susie No Wipe Top Coat, and I am going to apply that to all of the nails, and then I'm going to cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. Well, here are the nails on. I applied them with sticky tabs. I love these nails. They didn't need anything extra to them or applied on them. And so I applied those with sticky tabs. So guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think and subscribe to my channel. It is still free 99. So I appreciate you guys for watching and I'll see you next time.